Picking up from where our first install video left off, sorry. I now have Atom open on my window, and I have my Solar 2D simulator or Corona simulator open on my window. So what I would like to do first is go back to Atom, and I'm going to install a package that will allow Atom to show the syntax of Lua. So I click on Install a Package under the Welcome Guide, and I open the installer, and then I'm going to type in language Lua. And it's going to have several different extensions show up, and I want to choose language Lua 0.9.11. So I click the install button. I already have it installed here, so now it gives me the settings, uninstall and disable, but you go ahead and install that. So once that is installed, this application will show you the syntax of Lua in different colors depending on the different types of code you have used. So what I'm going to do here now is go back over, and I'm going to click on either new project or my first project, which I've already clicked on. And I saved my first project, as you can see, on my desktop in a folder called Corona 1. And it's important that you recognize main.lua because this Corona simulator is always going to open the main.lua file. And this file is the file that you will also open in Atom. And in Atom, you can then go ahead and edit and change that file. So every time you change your code in Lua and save it, you then come back over to your simulator and you will open that project and see how it looks. So let's jump our way back here. We've got Atom set up. So I want to open a file, and I'm going to go to my desktop, and I'm going to go to Corona 1, which is the folder that I created. And in that, you're going to see a main.lua file. And I will click on that and open it. So what you're seeing now, I can close these other tabs now because they're just going to get in my way. So what you see here now is your main.lua text file. And this is where I can go ahead and enter my code. And you're going to see from the tutorial images that there's code that's given to you. It is outlined as to what you need to enter, and there's a bit of an explanation telling you what that code does. So I will enter my code here and go ahead and save it. And when I do that, I will go back to my simulator and I will make sure I relaunch my project. So once you have it open, you don't need to open every time. You simply relaunch it, and this will then show you what it looks like. So if I'm going to choose here my main.lua file, right now there's no code in it, but it is showing me a simulator, which looks like a phone or an iPad. You can view your simulator in any device you want. So right now it's viewing it as an iPhone 6. It should work the same in all of them. The only difference will be how it looks. So if I choose a different iPad or if I choose a different phone device, you'll see it changing the view for me. Okay, so I set up the view of my simulator. I relaunch or launch my main.lua file, and in Atom, I can edit and change my main.lua file. Just keep in mind that these need to be saved to the same location, so it is important that you stay organized.